Hello everyone, I am Kritika Gulati, working as an assistant professor in CSA department RPIT Karnal. Today in this video, we will be discussing about member functions in the class, how they can be defined. There are two different methods by which we can define a member function. First, we can either define the function inside the class definition or we can define it outside the class definition. But in both the cases, the function body remains the same. First, I will be discussing about the outside the class definition. When we are defining a member function outside, the function need to be declared within the class definition, and the scope resolution operator should be used to define the member function outside the class as written in the syntax. If I talk about an example, I have written here a class with the name book. It has two data members and two member functions. As it is clear, only the declaration is given in the definition of the class, but the definition of the functions is outside the class. I have written a scope resolution operator and the book name with the member function name and then the body of the definition. By this method, we can define the member functions outside the class. Now I will be talking about the function definition inside the class. It can easily be declared, but in this case it will be by default an inline function. Given the example of book, it has two member functions, get data and put data, and in this the put data is defined within the class. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.